Good evening, everyone. We are tracking severe weather near Franklin and Williamson County. Meteorologist Dan Thomas will be updating us on all of this in just a moment. But first, tonight at 6, COVID-19 is on the rise here in Middle Tennessee, and it's not just affecting people who are not vaccinated. We learned today 27 fully vaccinated people have died here in Tennessee due to breakthrough cases.
And that's when fully vaccinated people contract the virus. 3 of those cases were reported in Davidson County. Right here, News 4's Marissa Sulek talked with doctors today and shares what we need to know.
A breakthrough case is a term we're hearing more and more. It's an individual who's fully vaccinated against COVID-19, but somehow still contracts it. And even though this is rare, doctors say there's symptoms you can look out for.
These COVID infections, it's very important to note, are almost exclusively mild.
Dr. William Schaffner, an infectious disease doctor with Vanderbilt University Medical Center, says if you are vaccinated and get COVID, you should experience fewer symptoms. Overall, he says it will feel more like a cold.
Can you get a milder infection that puts you out of sorts for a day or two? Sometimes put some people in bed for a day? Sure, but it's not like getting seriously ill.
He says while vaccines are meant to keep patients out of the hospital and prevent severe cases, no vaccine is perfect.
First of all, you may get no symptoms at all. But if you do, it's most likely some headache, sore throat. You don't get a cough so much. You can kind of get a runny, stuffy nose. It looks more like a cold than a very, very serious infection.
If you are vaccinated and experiencing these symptoms, Dr. Schaffner says you can get a COVID test or call your healthcare provider. And if you're vaccinated and contract COVID, there's less of a chance you will spread it.
People who are vaccinated, exposed to COVID, have many fewer viruses in their throat. So they're less likely to transmit it to others.
And although that number isn't zero, Dr. Schaffner says it's better than those who are unvaccinated and really contagious. Now, the Metro Public Health Department wants to emphasize again that these cases are rare. 0.1% are in Davidson County. I'm Marissa Sulek, News 4 Nashville.